Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's really out there? Well, you're about to discover just how jaw-droppingly huge, mysterious, and downright strange our own Milky Way Galaxy is. We're going on a journey to unravel the Milky Way's most mind-blowing secrets, from its colossal size and breakneck spin to the cosmic ballet of stars being born and galaxies colliding billions of years in the future. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets. It's going to be a wild ride. Let's start with the basics. Size. Our Milky Way Galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy stretching about 100,000 light-years across. A single light-year is the distance light travels in a year, 5.88 trillion miles. Traveling at light speed, it would take 100,000 years to cross our galaxy. If our sun were a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be a vast desert. Our sun is just one of an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Despite its size, our Milky Way is just a drop in the cosmic ocean. There are billions of galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions of stars. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Hold on tight, because the Milky Way is far from a stationary island in space. In fact, it's spinning at a mind-blowing 130 miles per second. That's equivalent to a dizzying 468,000 miles per hour. To put that into perspective, imagine traveling around the entire Earth at the equator in just over 2 minutes. But here's the even crazier part. We don't even feel it. We're all spinning through space right now, along with our planet, our solar system, and every other star and gas cloud in the Milky Way. It's like being on a giant, cosmic carousel, except this carousel is thousands of light-years across and takes about 230 million years to complete one rotation. This incredible spin is caused by the immense gravitational pull of all the matter in the Milky Way, including stars, gas, dust, and that mysterious stuff we call dark matter. And it's this constant spinning that gives our galaxy its distinctive spiral shape, with its arms swirling outward like a cosmic pinwheel. Don't let the serene beauty of the night sky fool you. The Milky Way is far from a peaceful and orderly place. It's a dynamic and often chaotic environment, teeming with celestial objects that can boggle the mind. At the very heart of our galaxy lies a sleeping giant, a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A. This behemoth is millions of times the mass of our sun, and its gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. But don't worry, Earth isn't in any danger of being sucked into this cosmic vacuum cleaner. Sagittarius A is about 26,000 light-years away from us, which is a safe distance on a galactic scale. Further out from the galactic center, we find regions called starnurseries, vast clouds of gas and dust where stars are born. These nebulae, as they're called, are some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring sights in the cosmos. These stellar nurseries are cosmic cradles, constantly churning out new stars and shaping the evolution of our galaxy. As we journey through the Milky Way, it's easy to think of our galaxy as a constant and unchanging fixture in the cosmos. But the truth is, even galaxies have a lifespan, and our Milky Way is no exception. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Now, before you panic, remember that cosmic timescales are vast. 4.5 billion years is longer than the Earth has existed. But when it does happen, it's going to be one heck of a show. The Andromeda Galaxy, also a spiral galaxy, is even larger than our own, containing perhaps as many as 1 trillion stars. As these two galactic giants approach each other, their gravitational forces will begin to distort their shapes, drawing out long tendril-like streams of stars and gas. Eventually, the two galaxies will collide, but it won't be like a catastrophic car crash. Instead, it'll be more like a slow, graceful dance, with stars and gas clouds weaving in and out of each other over millions of years. Here's a mind-bending thought. What we can see of the Milky Way, the billions of stars, the glowing gas clouds, the swirling dust lanes, that's only a small fraction of what's actually there. In fact, scientists estimate that a whopping 85% of our galaxy's mass is made up of something we can't see or interact with directly: dark matter. It's called dark because it doesn't emit, reflect, or absorb light, making it invisible to our telescopes and instruments. We know it's there because of its gravitational influence on the visible matter in the universe. Imagine a pool filled with water, but you can only see a few scattered toys floating on the surface. The toys represent the visible matter in the universe, the stars and galaxies we can see, while the water represents the invisible dark matter. Just like the water affects how the toys move and interact, dark matter's gravity affects how galaxies rotate, how they cluster together, and even how the universe itself evolved after the Big Bang. We've explored the Milky Way's size, its spin, its wild side, its future fate, and even the mysteries of dark matter. But there's one question that continues to captivate our imaginations. Are we alone in this vast cosmic ocean? With hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone, and countless planets orbiting those stars, it's hard to imagine that we're the only intelligent life out there. The sheer number of stars in the Milky Way is mind-boggling. If you held a grain of sand at arm's length, it would block out the light from hundreds of thousands of stars in our galaxy. And each of those stars could potentially have planets orbiting them, some of which could be similar in size and composition to Earth. In recent years, astronomers have discovered thousands of planets beyond our solar system, called exoplanets. These discoveries have revealed a stunning diversity of worlds, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky planets orbiting within the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and potentially life to exist. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're gazing at just a tiny part of something truly spectacular. Our Milky Way Galaxy, a swirling city of stars, gas, dust, and mysteries yet to be unraveled, is just one of billions upon billions of galaxies in the observable universe. We've explored its immense size, its dizzying spin, its wild and chaotic heart, and its ultimate fate billions of years from now. If you love learning wild facts like these, hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore even more cosmic wonders.